for our little essay intervention. How do you guys feels for this scholarship application?
Feeling? Isn't the word like overwhelmed? I have my grades, I have the experience, but translating it into a complex essay feels like a language entirely.
Exactly. I have so many thoughts with so many experience, but when I sit down and try to write it down, but my brain suddenly got freeze. And how to untangle all those ideas?
For me, it's about hitting the mark. I can write, but I want to make sure what they are searching for, not what I think they are looking for.
Fantastic points, and honestly, you are not alone. Every scholarship applicant faces this challenge, and that's why I thought we could use this session to talk through it. And what's your absolute top of mind concerns right now?
Okay, my biggest hurdle is the introduction. If I don't nail the first paragraph, so they just stop reading. So, how do you grab their attention without sounding cliche?
Oh, totally. Like, I once read that you should start with hook, but then I tried to write the hook. It sounds like too forced. Like I was trying too hard to write it the hook. Have you guys any suggestion about it?
I just struggle like how to find the story. My life is not a movie. How do I pick an experience that relevant and impactful for the scholarship?
Excellent question. Let's unpack a hook first. Sometimes the most powerful hook isn't a dramatic event, but it's a thought-provoking question, a concise statement of your core motivation, or even a small telling anecdote.
An anecdote?
Like a brief story?
That's true. Something immediately shows rather than tell is a key aspect of your personality or experience. Like what challenges have you overcome? What problem have you tried to solve, or even in small scale? And the last is what's your truly passionate about?
Oh, so it's not about being extraordinary, but you have to change the ordinary experiences into an extraordinary through reflection, right?
Remember guys, this isn't just about writing an essay, but it's about telling your unique story and your showcase your potential. And you have got this, guys. Let's keep this conversation going. If you have hit your roadblocks,
I think you should have create a workshop about an essay writing because I think you're fluent with that.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, I agree with Jolpa.
Workshop? It's a great idea.
yeah. But I've no chance. You guys want to accompany me?